So we're going to be using the HydroSilex ceramic soap. So a lot of ceramic soaps on the market, at least in the beginning, were talking about how they added protection back to the vehicle. So this product, I think, kind of fell into that camp originally. A lot of people were like, oh, well, it's good. But after using the product myself and testing it out, I really just see it as a high foaming, high cleaning shampoo. So this is going to be a soap where you're going to use this to clean a vehicle that's got a ceramic coating on, because in theory, if your coating is good, this soap is not going to damage it, but this is going to do a really good job of actually going to clean the coating, clean the paint, and getting this thing back to the coating back to its hydrophobes. Because a lot of times what ends up happening is these cars get clogged, they get dirty, and it looks like the coating is dead, but once you wash the vehicle with really good shampoo, the hydrophobics magically come back because the coating is actually clean. So now this product, if you guys can kind of see, it is very watery. It mixes, my favorite thing about this is that because it's watery, it mixes very well in your foam cannon. So you only need about 1 ounce to 2 ounces. I usually, when people ask me like how much you put in, I'm just, glug or a couple squirts. With this stuff, a few little squirts, and that's all you really need. And you see that it immediately turns the water blue because it mixes very well. At least for me, a lot of the thinner runnier shampoos like this tend to really mix really well with the foam cannons, and it allows you to get pretty high suds. So this particular product is a pretty high sudsing shampoo, and it smells good too. So what we're going to do is, now that we've rinsed the vehicle, you guys have seen the hydrophobic effects of the car dirty, we're going to do the regular wash on it, and then after we're done, we're going to do another rinse to kind of see if we brought any of these back. But so far you'll see which one we think is the best. So let's do it.